This strategy is working right now, but it won't last forever. If you have ever thought about reselling products for profit or building a simple side hustle that could turn into a serious income, reselling in 2025 is like catching a wave at just the right moment. Write it now or watch it pass you by. In this video, I'm revealing exactly how to start reselling from scratch, what products are trending, where to find them cheap, and how to resell them fast using sites like Facebook Marketplace and TikTok Shop. And here is the thing, by the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing the tools and the methods that most of the beginners overlook, but it's the secret that turns a small profit into a real income. So stick around, take note, and don't miss a second, because by the time this strategy becomes a mainstream, the easy profits might be gone. And don't forget to like this video because it means a lot to me. The first thing we are going to do here is open a new tab and search AliExpress, and it will bring you to this interface here. And make sure to create an account if you don't have account. If you have account, then that's okay. And the next step here is to find a product that is below $10, and we are going to get that product so that we can sell it at $100 or $50 so that we can get a good profit. So make sure to get your pen and paper so that you can write these things which I'm going to explain you in this video. Let's say, for example, we are going to be selling Bluetooth wireless headphones. So the next step to do here is you are going to buy these products, like 10 products. This product here is for $1. So I highly recommend you to buy 10 headsets. It will be delivered to your address. Let's say, for example, you have got those 10 headsets. The first thing which I'm recommending you to do is to get your phone and create a video or take pictures of those headphones or headsets. Don't use these AliExpress images, or you can download here, but I highly recommend to grab your phone and take a picture. Take a picture with your phone. That's the number one recommendation. The next step here is to go where we can sell our products. Open a new tab and go to Facebook and create a free account. But I believe that people who are watching this video, they already have their Facebook account, and if you don't have a Facebook account, then go and create one. But if you already have the Facebook account, then it's good. And this method is working both on devices, either on mobile device or tablet device or desktop, whatever device you're using, it's going to work. The next step you're going to do is to come here where there is Marketplace. Before we dive deep, the number one recommendation which I'm giving you here, you have to create your profile perfect, because people to buy from you, they will have to trust you. If you create a bad profile, then people will not buy from you. Let me give you an example. Even me myself, if I'm scrolling on TikTok or Facebook, whatever, and I find any product that I'm interested in, if I check and I click on the profile and I really don't trust the guy who is selling the product, obviously I will not buy that product, because I'm scared he may scam me, he may take my money off. You understand? So you need to create a perfect profile so that your profile can attract every visitor or every person who's coming to maybe to send you a message, or any person who wants to buy your products. All right, the next step here is to come and click here where it's selling, and the next step is to click here where there is create a new listing. You're going to come and click here where there is choose your listing type here and click there. Remember, in this video I told you to take a picture of your product, what you want to sell. I already have some pictures and videos here which I can use in my desktop here. Let me see, let me put it here. I believe I have them here. Okay, boom, here is one. This one, as you can see, my picture here looks great, looks great. And I'm going to explain you the reason why you need to use your phone to take pictures. If you have a video, obviously you can put a video. I believe I have a video here. Let me just try to put it here. I don't know. Oh, the video is here. I have a video here. Have a video there. Okay, the next step, put a title. Let's say like the Bluetooth wireless headsets. And the next step here, you need to put the price, how much you are going to sell this product. In AliExpress, this product we bought it for $1, and we are going to be selling it for, let's say like $50. And on that $50, we have to get the cost of shipping. I believe you understand me. We have to get the cost of shipping. You understand? Because you need to ship this product to that person who has bought your product. Let's say like we are going to use, let's say like it's $50, but I'm going to put something like 2000 taels, because my currency is not in the dollars. But if you estimate this one, it's roughly $50 there. So the next step here, category, you have to select a category depending on your product you are trying to sell. Click here, electronics. It's in electronic and computers. That's something like that. Click there, and the next step here, you need to put a condition here. So here is the thing, you don't need to say this is a new product. You understand? People who are on Facebook Marketplace, they always sell used things. Though you can sell new products, but if you say that this is a new product, they will say this is a new product, and then why are you selling it? It's a new product, and why are you selling it? It's because maybe it's not working, maybe it's not good. So what you want to say, it's like used but like new. It's used but it's new, or it's used but it's good, or it's used and it's fair. And that's why it's the reason why I told you should use your phone to take pictures, because it's like it's a used product. You understand? So come and click here, used but it's like new, something like that. It's good. And the next step here, you need to put a brand. You need to put more detail to attract your viewers. People, let's say highlight, copy this title and come and paste it here on the brand. And we need to put here the description here. To head over to ChatGPT here, and the next step here, what we are going to do, we are going to click here where this plus button here, and we are going to click there, and we are going to click here, add photos and filters. Click there, and the next step, we are going to find that image we are trying to sell. Let's get that image that we are trying to sell, and click on that image there. Then if you have your image there, I highly recommend you to use this prompt because it's working. Let me give you it here. As you are going to use these prompts here, write me a Facebook Marketplace description based on that image. So what ChatGPT is going to do is going to write you a Facebook Marketplace description based on the product you are selling, based on the image you have given to ChatGPT, and then click enter and let ChatGPT do the hard work for you. Alright, now ChatGPT has given us a marketplace descriptions here. As you can see here, stylish white wireless headphones, something like new, which is good. Upgrade your sounds with the blah 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 blah. As you can see here, it's very good. The next step here, you need to copy and paste to your Facebook Marketplace. As you can see here, used only in few times and excellent conditions, so quite good. And pick up available or can be delivered nearby you. Message me if you're already interested. Wow, that's great. So you are going to copy this, highlight and stop here where he's messaging me if interested. Right click and copy, and we are going to go back to our Facebook, then right click, then paste your description there. As you can see here, it's very good, so people who will see description, obviously it's wonderful. The next step, you are going to click here where there is next, click there next, and the next step here is to come and click publish. Now we have finished publish our product, and we are going to wait for 2 to 3 days and wait for the sales. If you need more information on about how you can ship your product, make sure to comment the word shipping in the comment section. I will make sure to send you a direct message. If you really want to learn more on how to resell products, I highly recommend you to subscribe on this channel, like this video because it means a lot to me, and watch the next video which I'm going to put here. Make sure to comment the word reselling in the comment section there. I will see you in the next video.